loving me? When did you stop loving me? When did you stop loving me? When did you stop loving me? When did you stop? When did you stop? When did you stop loving me? When did you stop loving me? When did you stop? When did you stop? Lost heart, yes, you hurt. And here's my friend. Ang tagal-tagal dumating. Malamig. What should I buy? Mag-upgrade ako ng, alam mo yung sugar cone? No face detected. Ano yan? Pistachio?
Pistachio and
Almond. Look. I'll wait for mine. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Soft serve.
No.
Hard. Hard.
What's that?
Salted caramel.
Soft serve?
Ha?
Ayun.
Oh, yeah.
Natin.
Tsaka hindi mo akalaing may ganito dito, no? Hindi mo akalaing may ganito na diretsong pine tree. Ubus na. Hindi pa. Oo. Sa akin. Face trap. Nagpa-face. We're here at Dolce. Dolce Cafe ba? Dolce Cafe. Ba't sa'yo nagpa-face trap?
Hi guys, we're here at Dolce Coffee here in Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada.
Oh, that was...
And we're gonna buy coffee because we have a discount from our employer, $5.
That's 200 pesos and
200 pesos.
pesos. Oo. Okay, let's go. Ikaw muna. Hindi. Ikaw muna. Ikaw muna. Hi. I have a...
1 second.
Oh, sure. It's okay.
Nico. Actually, no.
And then they sent us an email for $5.
Yeah.
Is it still...
Yeah, Nico.
Yeah.
I can hand it out. Can you do ship?
Kukunin ang name.
I
Hi.
just need to get your name.
Sure.
Is it two of you?
Yes.
Okay. Would it be easier for you to write it down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
And then just on these two lines. you can
Okay.
fit it in.
You wanna...
And then just
you'll do it? Okay.
Or is it together?
No.
Okay.
Separate.
And then just $5 off.
Yeah.
I'll get the latte macchiato.
Latte macchiato.
Yeah,
Medium?
large.
Large?
Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, medium. Sorry, medium.
Medium? For sure. I have a medium macchiato. And that's everything for you?
Yes.
Your way.
mo yung ano. Sobrang haba ng pangalan.
Okay. And what should I start for you?
I can have one macchiato large, please.
Latte macchiato?
Yes.
For sure. I have a large macchiato. Just $1, please.
50 cents na ang difference pala.
Yup.
60 cents. Ito?
Norbert boy.
Ah, baka may ano, caramel. Wala kasing pangalan eh. No. Ito, grabe yan. Oh. Macaroons. That was it. I'm going home now. Part ways of with Dave doon siya sa kabilang street. I have my coffee. This is free from our company, $5 coffee. I think we bought the same, pero medium sa akin kay Dave. Large yata. Macchiato. Ang pait. Anyway, I'm going home now because it's getting late. Medyo mahaba yung naikot namin. Inikot namin yung buong parang Arthur Street and Westport area. Malayo-layo yung, ewan ko kung ilang steps yung na-stop sa amin, nalakad namin. Ayun, so it's already like 7 or almost 7 p.m. but the sun is like, yan, parang 12 noon pa yung sun, or around 1 p.m. Masyado pa siya mataas, and I think sunset will be like mga 9:30 or 10 p.m. pa, maliwanag pa yan. Tomorrow, I'm gonna be working for 12 hours, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and that's why I wanna walk. Kasi, like if nasa bahay ka lang, medyo aantukin ka, and napapressure ako dun sa walk ko sa app na parang 300 steps ka lang in a day, because if I'm working, normal steps ko in a day is around 13 to 15,000, so normal yun sa 12-hour shift. So at least if I'm off, especially if summer, at least may body movement. Ayun nga. At saka minsan bored kasi nasa bahay TV. Manonood ka lang ng TV, kakain, ganon. Pero funny lang kanina kasi nag-walking kami ni Dave, my bestie sa work. Hi, my bestie. So, sabi niya, "Dai, tara mag-ice cream." Ayun, nag-ice cream kami. Kasi dumaan kami sa ice cream shop. Tapos, in-order ko is salted caramel. Na-videohan naman kanina, I think. Yung kay Dave parang pistachio and almond. Pero ang laki niya, hindi ko naubos. So, mababurn lang din naman yun. Kasi nga, medyo malayo-layo yung na-walk. Ganyan lang dito sa Canada. You enjoy the weather, yung view, yung fresh air, super fresh air, walang pollution. Tapos mga tao nagwo-walking, especially around these days na pa-summer na siya. And then medyo very limited lang yung video kanina kasi nakakaya mag-video, may mga taong dumadaan, may nagbabike. Yun, kasi I think bawal, I mean, hindi naman bawal, pero may mga nahihiya ako. Ewan ko, nahihiya ako mag-gano ng camera kasi siguro Halatang camera yung hawak ko, hindi naman cellphone or ano. Guys, let me see how many steps we had today. Pero mas madami kasi akong steps eh. Si Dave, konti lang yata. Wait lang. Tingnan ko. So, in my phone app, ooh, today is Friday. Oh. So I had 14,000. See, it's 14,832 steps. Imagine if I'm just like at home with 300 to 500 steps. Ano na? Wala na. Nakastore lahat ng kinain mo sa tiyan mo. Hindi mo na na-burn. Diba? But I'm glad that I walked today kasi ang ganda ng panahon. So, medyo malamig ng konti pero okay naman. Ayun. Tapos tambay-tambay ka lang somewhere para pahinga. Pero, yun na. Paulit-ulit lang sinasabi ko. Pero, thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Oh my goodness. See, ang dami pang sasakyan. Madami pang pauwi or I don't know. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate your support. Thank you. I'm here in my apartment already. Have a good one. Bye, guys.